How to start Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Now, Amazon affiliate marketing is also known as Amazon Associates. This is their affiliate marketing program. And first off, we're going to get started on how to get started with Amazon Associates, because whenever you are looking to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, you have to wait for approval to be approved as the affiliate. So you just head on over to affiliate-program.amazon.com. This will be your homepage, and you will simply click on sign up over here. Once you click on sign up, you will get the sign in info. If you don't have one, you will obviously click on create your Amazon account. So you can go on ahead and enter your Amazon information, and then you will just have to go on ahead and confirm your identity. They will ask you some questions like how do you plan to promote these products, so on and so forth. Now, I have already done that. I already have a Amazon Associates account. It will take you a couple of days to maybe get approved. So for this reason, I cannot show you guys the approval time period, but I have my account over here. And once you have your account, you will be able to see that whenever you are logged onto Amazon Associates and you're browsing Amazon, you can actually see on top of every product this little line over here. And this is where you can get the promotional link, the affiliate link, the images, and the text plus image HTML that you can use to promote these Amazon products. Now, you can get this for any kind of product, and there are variable prices or variable commissions that you will get. Now, what you're just doing is you're helping Amazon sell their products, you're helping them promote the products that are present on Amazon, and you'll be earning commissions on that. So different products have different commissions, and depending on the type of product, the price of the product, your commission will vary as well. And you can go on ahead, open up any product of your choice, and click on the text section over here and copy this and enter this link anywhere. And whenever someone uses this link to reach this product, Amazon will know that you were the one that sent them over here, and you will get a commission from that. Now, there are multiple different strategies that you can do to get started with promoting products from Amazon, and it's not as easy as a lot of people think, because different product categories have different commission rates. So if you are focusing on promoting a product using a blog or using your website, then you want to make sure that the website or blog that you are creating has a very, very lucrative niche. So you can see over here, there are some fixed standard commission income rates for specific product categories. So Amazon Games has one of the highest commission rates of 20%. Luxury Beauty, Stores Beauty, and Amazon Explore has 10%. Digital music and physical music has 5%. Then physical books, kitchen, and automotive gives you 4.5%, so on and so forth. So gift cards have a 0% commission rate. You have PC and PC components, which only give you 2.5. So make sure that you are keeping in mind the commission that you are going to get. So if you want to make a blog focusing on a certain niche, then definitely make it focused on gaming, because you're going to get the highest commission rate out of that blog. Because if you're making a blog on digital video games or televisions, then even if you're targeting the tech community, but you're only going to get a 2% commission rate because you're promoting TVs and digital video games, which don't have that high of a commission rate on Amazon. Now, there are other ways that you can promote your products as well. You can pick out any product and promote it without having to create a website. But if you want to create a website, you can create one simply using Wix. It's absolutely for free, and you can create a blog and then just post some blogs about any kind of thing that you might want, anything that interests you, and post also some promotional affiliate links as well. Other than that, you can also use Pinterest to promote your Amazon affiliate link. So all you have to do is create a Pinterest account. I already have a Pinterest account. This is a business account. You don't need a business account to promote. And you can see over here, I have this little thing that I created. So this is actually a Amazon affiliate promotional banner, and you can use Canva to create these little pins, and you can use any of these templates to promote, or you can just go on ahead and use a simple blank template, download the images from Amazon and add them to a cute little image, add some, benefits of that product or some of the reasons why people might want to use that product, and then go on ahead and upload that on Pinterest, add the title, add some descriptions about the benefits, and then in the destination link. So keep this in mind. If you disclose in your description that this is an affiliate, then it's all right. Just paste the Amazon link that you get from over here. Then it's totally all right that you paste the link. If you're not disclosing that this is an affiliate, then you want to use a redirecting website. So you can go on ahead and upload the link on a empty website that you create using Wix, or upload the link on a singular website using Wix. You can create a simple website using Wix where you have all of your product recommendations and link your Wix website, and then people can use your Wix website to be redirected to the Amazon link. Because if you don't do this, Pinterest will actually give you suspensions depending on how many times you do it, and you can permanently get your account suspended if you are promoting affiliates over and over again without disclosing that these are affiliates. So make sure to do this step if you're not disclosing affiliates on your Pinterest account. Now, other than this, there are other methods that you can use to promote your affiliate, Amazon associates, or affiliates as well, such as going on Facebook. So if you go on Facebook over here, and let's say I want to promote that yoga mat that I created that pin for. So I created this pin for this yoga mat, and let's say I want to promote it on Facebook. Now, what I would do is just search for yoga on Facebook, and then I went into the group section on the left side over here. Once I'm in the group section, I just go on ahead and join a bunch of these groups. A lot of these are public groups, so you can just go on ahead and take a look at these groups. So we have yoga retreats, yoga pose, yoga at home. So I'm just going to go into this page, yoga at home, and what I can do is I can just talk about some stuff about yoga, and then I can post like, hey, I've been using this yoga mat, and it has been the best for my posture, the best for me. And in this way, you can promote your product without having to directly, write a bunch about it. You will be making a simple Facebook post and just talk about the product as a simple item that you have used. And you can do this with any niche. It does not require any long-term effort. You just have to join a couple of Facebook groups and promote in them, and that is it. Because this is very direct too, because these people are already interested in the thing that you're promoting, so it's very effective to get these people into purchasing that Amazon product. Now, other than that, you can also go on to places like Medium. So medium.com is a free platform where anyone can write any kind of article, and it's an article writing platform. So you can write an article about the product that you are promoting, and that is it. And then you can enter your affiliate link at the bottom of your article. It's super easy and helpful, but you do have to disclose that it is an affiliate. If you don't want to disclose that it's an affiliate, then use the same method as I told you guys previously. Create a Wix website and use that to redirect people from Medium to Wix, and then Wix to your actual Amazon affiliate link. So in this way, you won't have to directly confirm that you are working as an affiliate. And these are just some of the basic strategies. There are so many other marketing strategies that you can do. Cold calling, you can do cold emails, and so many other marketing tips and tricks that you also can apply to this. It's very simple and easy, and you can do this for any niche and find out which niche that you are able to get the most responses from, and then also see the commissions of that niche. So depending on, after you weigh how profitable a niche is and how much commission that you're getting versus the specific niche that is working for you, you can find a good balance with your Amazon associates. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.